Let's dive into the ocean to witness these majestic beings. The ocean world is filled with a lot of surprises, and every creature is a unique form of million years of evolution. Just look at these adorable beings with different vibrant colors. Each creature holds a distinctive trait which makes them so special. Every corner of this underwater realm roams with life, a testament to the delicate balance of nature. This is just a glimpse into the ocean's vast wonders, with countless more secrets waiting to be discovered in its unexplored depths. Have you ever experienced an underwater adventure?